Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I crochet and knit and share my journey and experiences with you. You can follow along, join me on my journey by hitting that subscribe button and liking my videos. You can leave comment, share your own experiences regarding crocheting and knitting. Today we will be making these simple 2-round crochet flowers that you can use as applique or as add-ons to your garments or use them to decorate your home. These two flowers are same. If you can see, one flower is slightly smaller than the other, and it's because of just one stitch. In this flower I made second round using 1/2 and 2 double crochets, whereas in this flower I made 1/2 and 4 double. So you can see that by increasing just 2 stitches you can increase the size of your flower. And for the video I'll make an even bigger flower by increasing my double crochets, and we can see how it will look, what difference, how much larger our flower will become. We'll start by making a slip stitch and chain 6. Two, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then you will join first and last with a slip stitch. Just put your crochet hook in the first stitch, wrap yarn around your crochet hook and slide it through first and last. Hold this yarn in your hand, in your finger, and chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. This will be our first double crochet. Now we'll chain 2 more to complete our cluster. After completing your cluster, make a chain of 5 stitches. 3, 4 and 5. Now we will make next cluster. So in total we will make 5 clusters. 1. So you can finish your round by making 5 clusters, and in between each cluster you will make chain of 5, and I'll see you after I finish my round. After making your last cluster, your 5th cluster, you will make chain 5 and then join with the first chain 3. This is what our flower looks like after one round. And now we will make its petals. Let's start. You will slip stitch and come to the next chain 5 space. When you reach the chain, you will first make half double, and then let's make 5 double crochets. So this is my first one, second, third, fourth and 5th. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the back hump, first hump, slip stitch. This is your picot stitch. Again we will make 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then 1/2, and in the middle stitch you will slip stitch, and then again in the next chain space you will make 1/2 and 5 double, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 3, slip stitch into the first back hump to make your picot, and then again 5 double. In this way you will complete your second round, and I'll see you when I have finished my second round. As you can see, I have finished my last petal. Now I will slip stitch in the middle second double crochet from the first round, and then I'll cut my yarn and secure it. Just slip stitch it a couple of times, tighten it and hide. We have already worked on our starting tail, and we can easily hide it among the loops of our double crochets. And this is the final result. And you can see we only increased the number of double crochets in our petals in the final round. We made 2 in this smallest one, 4 in this middle one, and 5 in this last one. And by just tweaking the basic pattern a bit, you can get different results, different sizes, and you can have fun even if you know only just one flower to make. So don't worry if you know only just one flower to make, because you can totally change its size. And if you use even a medium weight yarn, you will get even bigger flowers, because I have used lightweight yarn, and even then you can see the difference. Just 1 or 2 stitches can make. So have fun playing with this simple 2 round flower, and do leave a comment which one was your favorite, or which one are you planning to make. And I'll see you next time. Take care.